my name is Marco and welcome to the Model Gene. Today I'll be answering the question, what is the difference between a casting versus a GoSee? A casting for a model is what actors would call auditions, where the talent is meeting with a client in the hopes of securing a job. In a typical casting, models will introduce themselves in front of the casting director, present them with their portfolio and their comp cards, take a few digitals, and perhaps do a walk or try on an article of clothing if the situation calls for it. Fashion Week is when the models have the highest concentration of castings and are running around town trying to get from one to the next. As exhausting as it can be to have so many castings during Fashion Week, it is the best way for you to get yourself in front of so many different clients for potential work in the future. You are not only casting for the job you are there for, you're casting for the next job. A GoSee is a more general meeting with a model and a client without a specific project in mind. When I was working at Jedroot in New York, we would have models come into the office on GoSees, and based on that interaction, I would tell the other agents if someone came in who we thought would be a good fit for one of the photographers. A clear standout for me from these GoSees was Alexandra Agostin, who from the moment she walked in, I was in awe of her beauty. She was so poised, elegant, one of those beauties to really knock you off your feet, and as soon as she left the office, I emailed her agent to let her know what a positive impact she made. This is what every model should hope for after having a GoSee, to make a client excited about them, and to find projects that the model would be a great fit for. For both castings and GoSees, models should see them as opportunities to charm a new client, because at some point, every model they're going to see is going to be beautiful, but a great personality can really put them over the edge and give the model an advantage. If you have any questions about castings and GoSees, please let me know in the comments and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Thank you!